is your sin clear? You were the shape that split my ears. Even as a kid I knew your bite. Those teeth had a shadow in the light. You brought me pain I still can taste. Left little hands in a startled state. Stop scaring off the little ones. Let them run free, let them become. Dear black wolf, is your sin clear? Dear black wolf, is your sin clear? Are you out of debt yet? Out of debt yet? Do better please, next time you come. Leave the shadows, leave the teeth. Not interested in meeting them again. Withered, what are you trying to keep? Trying to control your bloodline deep? Are you truly out of debt?